Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host and your host MSH, and today we will be unboxing my new helmet, which is Shark D-Skwal. Number over here, that's the model number. It's pinlock 70, as you can see over here. If it's visible, I'll just show you quickly. It's the visor, and that's the shark branding with the shark fin over here. It's a d-skwal, so that's what it's written as. Basically it's there's a skwal in this which has LEDs over here and over here and over here. So this is a different one. This is not the LED one. Currently the interiors, as you can see, 1 second, I'll just show you properly. So I bought a medium one. So these are the interiors. Anyways, so it's got provision for the goggles as well. Like if you want to wear specs, if you are the guys who are wearing specs, so it's got this shark specs fit face over here. That's for the specs and the goggles people want to wear. It's Kanji, and it's a medium size, and it's 1450 grams. So yeah, it's got a very good finish over here on this breath guard, which I think is removable. Yes, it's pretty removable and it's easy to remove, so you can just take this off and just be good with it. It's got a good leather stitch around, and it's kind of a leathery as well. The color, it's white, black, anthracite, because it's got this anthracite thing, and it's a matte look. It's not glossy, it's matte. So guys, now we'll be installing the pinlock visor on it. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, that Shark has patented this technology of removing and inserting the visor. So I'll just show you in a while. You just need to do is just flip a bit and pull with little bit of pressure, and then you're out. We'll just give it a one wipe with the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol basically. This is the sealing side, which has the silicone thing. We did it perfectly. And just make sure that the glue is the silicone thing, it's stuck over here properly. And now all we have to do is peel this yellow thing off. The visor back, I'll just quickly swipe it. Anything, it becomes bit hard to clean this part basically, but it's fine. All you just have to do is the same thing, just apply force little bit, not too much, and you are done with this part, this side, and same for this side as well. Just do is this, just put it, that's it. It's easy. One major thing that I liked a lot was that it's perfectly aligned, and this patent thing that they did, it's very good. Like you have got eliminated all the hassle of just pulling the tab over here. I'll show you on my other AGV helmet, and this one costs much bit higher than this one. So this has got this pull tab, you just pull it and then take off the visor, and so this is a very good thing. Over and all, I liked in this helmet. and I'll just show you quickly how does it look on my head. Yeah, because that's also important. So this is how it looks on my head, and you can see my face properly. And if I do this, yeah, there's a visor, this, and it's there. It's completely soundproof. There's bit sound coming, but like this it's completely soundproof. So that's the thing I was talking about. So my head is 57-58, so medium size suits better for me. So that was all for the helmet. I'll be putting a GoPro mount as well over here. So let's see if I put a GoPro mount or different chin strap. So I'll just look for that and I'll come up with another video. Thanks for watching, guys, and do comment, like, and subscribe. And if there's anything I missed, or if you want anything for me to cover, just comment, or you can just text me on my personal Instagram and Facebook handles, which is given in the description below. So I hope to see you back soon, guys. Till then, bye bye, tata, and ride safe. Always wear helmet while riding, and if possible, wherever possible, do wear your riding gears such as jackets or pants or the boots, basically. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.